What's up, everybody? It's Jack. Welcome to the ultimate guide on making money in 2025. We're about to dive into some serious money-making strategies. I'm talking about the kind of stuff that could change your life, buy you that dream car, maybe even an island. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 ways you can boost your income and achieve financial freedom. We're talking remote work, crypto, online businesses, high-income skills, the gig economy, you name it, we're covering it. I'm going to break down each method step by step so you can start seeing those dollar signs roll in. All right, let's jump right into it. First up, we're talking about the future of work, remote work and freelancing. No more commuting, no more boring office cubicles, just you, your laptop, and the freedom to work from anywhere in the world. The opportunities are endless. Whether you're a writer, a graphic designer, a programmer, or even a virtual assistant, there's a remote job out there for you. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are overflowing with gigs, and companies are constantly on the lookout for talented remote workers. What are you really good at? What skills can you offer that businesses are willing to pay top dollar for? Once you figure that out, it's all about marketing yourself, building a killer portfolio, and delivering exceptional work. Imagine waking up on a beach in Bali, sipping your coffee, and then crushing it on a freelance project before most people even wake up. It's all about taking control of your time, your income, and your life. All right, let's talk crypto. Cryptocurrency has exploded in recent years, and while it can seem a little intimidating at first, it's actually not that complicated. Think of it like digital gold. It's a decentralized digital currency that operates independently of banks and governments. Now, I'm not saying you should go all in on Bitcoin tomorrow. Cryptocurrency can be volatile, and it's important to do your research before investing any money. But here's the thing, the potential for growth in the crypto market is massive. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to newer players like Solana and Cardano, there are countless opportunities to explore in the crypto space. You can also trade cryptocurrencies, stake them to earn passive income, or even invest in crypto-related businesses. The key is to start small, learn as you go, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Ever dreamed of being your own boss? Well, starting an online business might be your ticket to freedom. The internet has leveled the playing field, giving anyone with an internet connection the opportunity to build a global empire from their living room. E-commerce is booming, and there are countless ways to get in on the action. You could launch your own online store, create and sell digital products, or even start a dropshipping business where you sell products without ever holding any inventory. The key is to find a niche, a product or service that solves a problem or fulfills a need in the market. With an online business, you can reach customers all over the world 24/7. So what are you waiting for? It's time to unleash your inner entrepreneur and start building your online empire. Listen up, because this is important. In today's job market, it's not enough to just have a degree. You need to have in-demand skills, high-income skills that businesses are willing to pay a premium for. We're talking about skills like software development, digital marketing, sales, copywriting, data analysis, skills that are essential for businesses to thrive in the digital age. The good news is you don't need to go back to school to learn these skills. There are tons of online courses, boot camps, and resources available that can teach you everything you need to know, often at a fraction of the cost of a traditional education. Look for industries that are growing rapidly, like tech, healthcare, and renewable energy. Once you've identified your target skills, it's time to start learning, practicing, and building your portfolio. Remember, the more valuable your skills, the more money you can command in the job market. The gig economy is exploding, and it's never been easier to make extra money on your own terms. Whether you're looking for a side hustle to supplement your income, or you're ready to ditch your 9-to-5 and become your own boss, the gig economy has something for everyone. We're talking about driving for Uber or Lyft, delivering food with DoorDash or Grubhub, renting out your spare room on Airbnb, or even walking dogs with Rover. The beauty of the gig economy is its flexibility. You can work whenever you want, wherever you want, and for as long as you want. It's a great way to earn extra cash, gain new skills, and explore different career paths without making a long-term commitment. So if you're looking for a flexible and potentially lucrative way to make money, the gig economy is definitely worth exploring. All right, let's talk about building long-term wealth through investing in the stock market. Now, I know what you're thinking. Investing is risky, or I don't know anything about the stock market, but here's the thing. Investing is one of the most powerful ways to grow your wealth over time, and it's not as complicated as you might think. You don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to get started. With the rise of online brokerage accounts and robo-advisors, investing has never been more accessible. One of the easiest ways to start investing is through ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. ETFs are like baskets of stocks that track a particular market index, like the S&P 500. They offer instant diversification and are a great option for beginners. The key is to start small, invest consistently over time, and don't panic sell when the market dips. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Digital products create once, sell forever. Let's talk about passive income, baby. And one of the best ways to generate passive income is by creating and selling digital products. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once, and then you can sell them over and over again without any additional effort. We're talking about ebooks, online courses, templates, software, stock photos, music, and so much more. The key is to identify your skills and passions and create products that provide value to your target audience. Once you've created your digital masterpiece, you can sell it on your own website through online marketplaces like Etsy or Gumroad, or even through social media platforms. So, if you're looking for a scalable and potentially lucrative way to generate passive income, digital products are the way to go. Unlocking financial freedom, the power of passive income. Imagine waking up every morning to money flowing into your bank account even while you sleep. That's the power of passive income. Passive income is all about generating income from assets or businesses that require minimal effort to maintain. We've already talked about some great passive income ideas like investing in stocks and ETFs, creating and selling digital products, and even renting out assets like real estate or cars. You could start a blog or YouTube channel and monetize it through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. You could even invest in dividend-paying stocks or peer-to-peer lending platforms and earn passive income from your investments. The key is to identify your strengths, explore different passive income streams, and build a portfolio of assets that generate income for you month after month, year after year. Real estate investing, building wealth brick by brick. Real estate has long been considered one of the most reliable paths to building wealth, and for good reason. Real estate offers the potential for appreciation, cash flow, and tax advantages. You could start by house hacking, where you buy a multifamily property, live in one unit, and rent out the other units to cover your mortgage. Or you could explore crowdfunding platforms that allow you to invest in real estate projects with smaller amounts of capital. Another option is to invest in REITs, or real estate investment trusts, which are companies that own and operate income-producing real estate. REITs are traded on stock exchanges, making them a more liquid and accessible way to invest in real estate. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by recommending products you love. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing model where you earn a commission for promoting other people's products or services. It's like being a digital salesperson, but without the pressure of cold calling or door-to-door sales. You partner with a company or brand that offers an affiliate program. You then promote their products or services on your website, blog, social media channels, or through email marketing. When someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission on that sale. The more traffic you drive and the higher the conversion rates, the more money you can make. And there you have it, folks. The top 10 ways to make money in 2025 and beyond. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on making money and achieving financial freedom. And hey, let me know in the comments below which money-making method you're most excited to try. See you in the next video.